Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you this type of color grading only using CapCut application. So let's start the video. After opening CapCut, click on New Project. Now import your clip. Click on Library and add black background. Now crop it according to the video ratio. Now click on Mask option and click on Horizontal. I will make the rotation 180 degrees. And I will make feather 100. I will make position Y minus 220. Now click on Basic option and go to blending mode and set the opacity to 50. Now add a white background. Whatever we did on the black background, we will also do on this white background. You can see the before and after. Now add an adjustment layer. You will follow what I'm doing here. Now you can see before and after. Click on Effects option and search an effect named Soft. Now I will decrease its amount to 30. Go to Effects again and search for Motion Blur. I will make the strength to 60. And horizontal will do as you like. So this is our final result. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.